Hello everyone. Welcome to CSTechbook HTML Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about HTML introduction. Before we learn, I'd like to thank you for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let us learn HTML introduction today. Introduction to HTML. Let us learn HTML in this tutorial series. What is HTML? HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. HTML is a computer language, contains code words and syntax, like other languages. HTML is the standardized markup language used for web pages. HTML defines the structure of the web pages. Who invented HTML? Hypertext Markup Language is first developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1990. Its main purpose is to create web pages for displaying on the World Wide Web. Definition of HTML? HTML full form is Hypertext Markup Language. Hypertext. This is the method by which we can move to any page in the web. This is nothing but the hyperlinks. By clicking on it we can navigate to any part of the web. Hyper actually means jumping from one place to another inside the web. Markup. This defines the HTML tags functionalities executed for the text inside the web page, like making bold, italics for the text in the web page. Language. It is a computer language which contains code words and syntax like other languages. Why we should learn HTML? HTML is the base for website designing. HTML is the authorized language used to create web pages. HTML is authorized standard for describing the structure and presentation of information via the internet. HTML is so easy to learn. What are the features of HTML? HTML is very easy to learn and is simple to understand. HTML tags will provide the effective beautiful web pages. HTML provides flexibility in formatting text in the web pages. HTML provides anchor tag, by which we can navigate to so many pages in the web. HTML is a platform-independent language. It can work effectively in all environments like Windows, Linux, Mac OS. HTML provided embedding graphics, videos and sound inside the web page, which makes the web page more interactive. HTML is not a case-sensitive language. We can write code in uppercase or lowercase. What is the syntax of HTML? HTML can be written by using HTML inbuilt tags. These tags can be declared with special characters, /. What are HTML tags? HTML defines the structure of web pages using markup language. HTML elements are the building blocks of HTML pages. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraph, table, and so on. What are the uses of HTML tags? HTML tag indicates the browser that this is an HTML document. HTML tag represents the root of an HTML document. HTML tag is the container for all other HTML elements except for the doctype tag. What is the basic structure of HTML web page? HTML web page comprises of HTML elements represented as HTML tags with proper syntax. HTML head, title. Here we can mention the document title and other information used by search engines. /title, /head, body. Here we can mention all the text and instructions for the document. /body, /html /body. How to write a HTML file. 1. Open a text editor in any environment, say Windows /Linux /Mac OS. 2. Type the code as !doctype HTML. HTML head, title, HTML example, /title, /head, body. This is the body of the HTML page. /body, /HTML. 3. Save the file with extension HTML as my new file.html. 4. Open the file in web browser. 5. We can find the HTML document in web browser. 6. We can find the title in the web browser, HTML example. 7. We can find the HTML body in the web browser. This is the body of the HTML page. What is a doctype in HTML? Doctype should be declared first before entering the HTML tags. Doctype is not a HTML element or a tag. Doctype is used to provide instructions to the web browser about what version of HTML the page is written. Doctype is supported in all the browsers. How to declare doctype. Doctype declaration differs from versions of documents created by the user. For various types of doctype, please refer our tutorial website. Please click the tutorial link mentioned in the description column for more details. What are the advantages of HTML? HTML is very easy to learn. It contains simple tags. HTML language is supported by all the browsers. HTML is open source and it's free. HTML is the standardized protocol used for designing web pages. HTML is not a case-sensitive language, so we can write the code in uppercase or lowercase. HTML is platform-independent language. It works in all environments like Windows/Linux/Mac OS. HTML is easy to edit in format, since tags are so simple. HTML supports multiple programming language. What are the disadvantages of HTML? We need to write lot of HTML code for making simple web page. HTML is not centralized, we have to edit all pages individually. HTML can create only static and plain pages, so if we need dynamic pages then HTML is not useful. In HTML security features are not good. So that is all for today in HTML introduction class. Let's us learn about another new topic in the next video. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you in the next video. Bye.